how to book an appointment with MyAdvisor. To begin, log into MyAdvisor from RBC Online Banking. For assistance, refer to our How to Login demo video. Once you've logged in, from your MyAdvisor homepage, click More at the top of the page. You will then see a drop-down menu. Click Book an Appointment. On this page, you will have the ability to see your upcoming and past appointments. If you have no appointment scheduled, you will be prompted to schedule one. Click Book an Appointment. From here, you will be asked, what would you like to talk about? We use these options to help serve you better. Select the one that fits your needs the best. Next, you'll be asked, who would you like to speak to? You have 3 choices. Click First Available Advisor if you would like to be paired with the first advisor available in your area. Or, click the Advisor button to enter the name of a specific advisor. If you already have an RBC Financial Planner, their name and schedule will automatically appear. Or, click the Branch button and type in your postal code if you would like to meet with an advisor near you. A list and map of the branches in your area will appear. Once you choose who you would like to speak to, you will be asked, how would you like to speak with your advisor? You have 3 choices: video conference, phone call, or meet at a branch. Next, select your preferred time, morning, afternoon, or evening, and a specific hour that works best for you. Finally, enter your phone number. This will be used if your advisor needs to contact you before or after your appointment. Click Confirm Appointment, and you'll be directed to a confirmation page with your appointment details. You're all set to meet with an advisor for any advice and support you need.